Guys, it is a beautiful morning out here in the Ozarks. We're at the Glory Hole Waterfall trailhead right now, just kind of getting out of the 4Runner, getting parked, getting the camera set up. And right down there is the trail. It's just an old Jeep trail for a little while, and then it just turns into a foot trail. This is my 5th time being here, and I'm so glad I get to show y'all what it's all about, man. Let's go on a little adventure. You want to? We've had a lot of rain lately. It is the middle of July, summertime in Arkansas. Normally I don't go hiking, but it has rained a lot, and I was just looking for a little adventure to do. That's why we're here super early. It's just now kind of starting to get light, and we get in, check it out. Rob's brought the drone. He's gonna get some awesome drone footage, and he's never been here before, so it's gonna be super cool. Show him what it's like. Hopefully the creek will be running a little bit. You guys can see what it looks like with the water coming down through the Glory Hole. And if there's no water, I'm just gonna show you all some pictures from some of my other trips, man. It is awesome. We've come here in the springtime when the water's flowing real good. In the wintertime, whenever the waterfall's frozen over, which that only happens about once every 20 years. So I was lucky to be able to see that. Me and Crystal came down here for a trip whenever there was just ice all over the ground. And I'm telling you right now, there was some parts where it was treacherous, you know what I'm saying? Trying to hike down to the waterfall, just slicked completely over with ice. But it was absolutely beautiful, just like this hike is, man. Check this out. So I do want to point out, if you do come and hike on this trail, you've never been here before, when you get to this specific Y that I was just now showing you, there's no signage that tells you to go left or right. Go right. Guys, this really isn't too long of a walk. I will put some information in the description if you're curious about this hike. I think it's like 1.8, 1.9 miles round trip, so not too bad of a hike. Downhill all the way to the waterfall, uphill all the way back to the 4Runner, you know what I'm saying? We're about halfway there, so there are a few waterfalls on the creek that are worth mentioning because they are beautiful. I usually stop and shoot photos of those two along the way. Don't go anywhere. We're just now getting started. Glad y'all are here. Alright guys, we just made it to the creek that feeds the Glory Hole Waterfall, and it is running. I'm super excited about that. But it's not running that much, so don't get your hopes up too high. But it is running, and and I didn't think it would be, so I'm happy about that. Let's keep hiking, we're almost there. Guys, I just freaking got hammered with a spider web. I mean, I just walked smack right into it. Like, spider webs are like all over my face. I'm like, oh, there's a black widow trying to bite my ear. No, I don't even know. I didn't feel no spider, but. All right, there's a really sweet waterfall right here that's noteworthy. If you're hiking on this trail, don't skip this one. It's just a little spur trail, right kind of as you come across the creek where we just crossed a second ago. Just a little bit up on your left, there's a really cool waterfall. Let's get down here and check it out. Guys, and I just want to point out that Rob, right back there, is kicking off his brand new YouTube channel, man. Y'all have got to check it out. Creek Water Outdoors. He's doing his very first vlog. Don't beat him up too bad. I think he's doing great. He's been helping me. He's been running cameras. He's been learning how to shoot. And some of y'all have already got to meet Rob. He's been at a couple different things and met some people. But yeah, you guys go check out his channel, man. If you like what he's doing, hit the like button, subscribe to his channel, be looking out for more, and he's getting his channel kicked off, so go check him out. We're hiking in the Ozarks, man. Glory hole. This area through here is just beautiful. This is a little bit before you get to the Glory Hole waterfall. Jump down on the creek and check this part out if you decide to come down here. For sure, you don't want to miss it. Guys, we just got to the top side of the Glory Hole waterfall, man. I'm telling you what, it is way down there. And at this point, you do not want to fall down that, dude. You know what I'm saying? Guys, that glory hole right there ain't no joke, you know what I'm saying? It's big, it's a long drop, and it's dangerous. So if you come here, don't get too close. We're gonna hike around, show y'all what it looks like from down below. Keep running my face right into spider webs. Need to start paying more attention. But Mother Nature is beautiful. And we're right out here in the middle of it, man. I just keep looking around in awe, you know what I mean? It is a beautiful summer morning. It's not too hot right now. Get down here, show you what this is all about from the bottom, looking up through the hole, and we're gonna get on up out of here. So don't go anywhere. Guys, the Glory Hole waterfall is freaking sweet, man. Check it out. It's not running real good, but it's still running and it's still sweet. You guys need to come check it out. If you've ever been here, drop me a comment down below and say, yeah, I've been to the Glory Hole before. I'd love to hear your story about it. What time of the year did you come and all that? I've been in the spring, the fall, the middle of the winter time, the middle of the summertime, which is right now. We're gonna get set up over here. I'm gonna take a few photos and we're gonna start hiking back. Glad y'all hung in there. I told you it was awesome, right? Guys, check out that yellow back there on that bluff, man. That is incredible. We've hiked around up here by the Glory Hole. Waterfall is super awesome. It's starting to get hot, so we're gonna hike back, and I think we're just gonna teleport from here. So I'm gonna go find teleportation tree, and I'll catch y'all back at the road at the Forerunner. Guys, we made it back to the vehicle. Hike wasn't too bad getting out of there. Hadn't got real hot yet, so that's definitely a plus. And really appreciate y'all watching, man. We had a great time. My buddy Rob went with me on the hike, man. That's awesome. Be looking out for his new channel, Creekwater Outdoors. That's gonna do it for today, guys. Really appreciate it. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. If you liked any part of this crazy Glory Hole hike video, give me a great big huge thumbs up like. And if you got anything to say, just drop it right there in the comments. That's all you got to do, guys. That's it for this one. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace! Was there? I'm going to see if there's no huge. Yeah. Might come in handy. I don't really know. I feel my stomach says it might come in handy. All right, you got action?
Action.
Guys, we are the only ones here. First ones to park in the parking space. I don't anticipate very many people coming today because it is the middle of the summer and most people don't go hiking in the middle of the summer in Arkansas with the bugs, the heat, the humidity, the snakes, the copperheads, the rattle moccasins, the copper-headed rattle moccasin. I hope we don't see any of those today, but if we do, I promise y'all, I'll film it. Guys, I can't find a teleportation tree anywhere, so looks like we're just gonna have to hike up out of here. We're on the bluff trail right now, and I'm telling you what, it is just gorgeous, man. All the moss, the bluffs, the huge boulders, the snakes, the scorpions, the black widows, the brown recluses. I'm just kidding. We haven't seen any of that stuff. It has just been wonderful. A lot of birds, seeing a little bit of wildlife, some squirrels, stuff like that. But we're just about back over here to the Glory Hole. And we'll start making our way back to the road, back to civilization. Get a little AC cranking, because I can tell you right now, it's warming up, and it's warming up quick. Not to mention, the humidity is 99.999, you know what I'm saying?
Hi.
Hey.
Are you recording?
Today we're at the trailhead of the Glory Hole. See y'all down there. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's a little bit different. I'm here with my good buddy Robert. Where are you, Rob? Boom, right back there. You guys already know Rob, man. Just came out here this morning for a quick hike to an iconic waterfall here in Arkansas called the Glory Hole. Let's go check it out. Alright guys, I did bring my big camera, and I'm going to set it up on this tripod and try to get a long exposure shot of that waterfall. Let's see how it turns out. Let's see how it turns out. This area through here is just beautiful. This is a little bit before you get to the Glory Hole waterfall. Jump down on the creek and check this part out if you decide to come down here. For sure, you don't want to miss it. If you come visit the Glory Hole waterfall, make sure and come up here by the bluffs. There's a trail that goes all along them, and they are just incredible. Gigantic boulders, steep bluff right here. Just come up here and check it out because it is beautiful. This one goes all the way to the ground.
Careful.
So that's it for this one. We'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace!